Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. Thanks for bearing with me for a sec, guys. I'm just getting my mic a little more optimized here. All right, so, yo, Stay Liquid, great to see you, brother. How are you today? Um, I'm over here. Things are good, and it looks like we have made a higher high. Um, Maybe not quite, but we're back above 35 for at least a little while today. And that's very interesting to me. We're going to take a look at some of these larger time frames, but a lot of these short signals, this one was about blown out, but it's interesting. We're actually kind of behaving normally. Dude, the market is stacked heavily long. We got a massive bid dominance. The higher we went, the more bids there are, as you see. While we were flipping red here for a little while, actually maybe not the higher we went because I think this might have been the high. But it looks like they've gained a little more confidence in time. And now that we've spent some time here, established some price discovery, we did grind up a little bit and increase our number of bids, increase our number of asks. You can see here. So this is definitely interesting. Dustin, what's up, man? Great to see you here. And what's up, LT? Hope everyone's doing well. And you guys, so we're looking at an increase in asks and bids and a wide bid-ask spread now in spot markets that was pretty tight earlier, and a widening of the bid-ask spread for perp markets, aggregated perpetual markets, with kind of seems like a steadily increasing. You can see the horizontal line here, a steadily increasing number of asks and roughly about the same number of bids. So people are getting more bullish the more time we spend up here. I think that's pretty good looking. Pretty good looking. Now let's take a look at the daily. Oh, this is not a daily. Let's pull this out. All right, yeah, that looks pretty spectacular. We've filled the wick space 3 days in a row. Oh, we've filled the wick space of this run 2 days in a row. Sitting in outer space. RSI is super cooked. Volume every single day. We still have a few hours on this daily close, but we got 2 strong days there. We got a big buy there. Well, a lot of volume, I should say. We don't know if this volume is majority buy or sell volume. That's what I tend to use Trader for. TRDR. Um, yeah, this is interesting stuff to me. A lot of volume, and for a long time before that, we probably averaged around here somewhere. A lot of volume over here. Is this So we're starting to pick it up a bit. Similar to this, very similar to this. Then we stall out. Yeah, this is wild. All right. So it looks like we're kind of starting something like that, which could end up filling back, coming back and filling some of these CME gaps. This is that was my first observation when I saw this earlier. Is it does appear to be a resistance gap. I did notice some people on Twitter are posting images that there aren't any more CME gas, but I hate to say it because some of those people are good people, but they're just straight up wrong right now. There's a CME gap overhead at 55. There's an open CME gap here on at 35, which we seem to be failing. And once a gap becomes a resistance gap by that second check, things get a little dangerous, and that's something that worries me a little bit right here. Like, could be in for a game of hot potato, man. I think overall, let's talk about something here. We're looking at some big picture stuff. Let's talk about some big picture stuff. The bottom's probably in, dude. I'm pretty damn sure that the bottom is in, and I'm pretty sure that this is we kind of extended out of a range that we may be playing for the next few months. I mean, there's kind of two things going on in my head. We're clearly not like in a bear market anymore, and we're definitely not ready for a bull market yet. Um, I'll post some Bitcoin halving little stuff in Discord that I was that ChatGPT wrote up. Really cool stuff. I've been using ChatGPT since that one dude said to check it out in the show yesterday. That was pretty tight. So I'm checking out some more AI stuff and having fun with it. Anyways, I don't think we're ready to be in a bull market that's, a wild bull market like the normal Bitcoin ones, right? I think what we're ready to do is, if anything, be in a pretty regular bull market, which is to say greater we've left the bottom, but chop, and it's very possible that this could be an outlier for a move. And we might be coming right back to fill this gap in, some of these lower ones, but the point will be clear that we're definitely capable of doing some serious things. Now, I think a lot of people are expecting this thing to come back down, and so I have a sense that it's possible that max pain could be a little bit more grind sideways, maybe slightly up, maybe even a pump. But I'm telling you, I'm just kind of sharing all my thoughts right now, and then I'll kind of talk about the probabilities based on what I see. And the max pain to me is still upward in trajectory. I'm not. Why would I say something like that? Because it seems like the max pain is still up because I think there's a reason why they're pushing a lot of this weird little information, right? Like BlackRock ETF, but then it's not listed, and but then it's listed, and then we're gonna delist it, but then we'll post it again the next day. Stuff like that, you guys. I mean, you gotta open your eyes up and see that that's just a straight up game. That's not even. That's not even. There's nothing normal about that. That's someone in a suit that's cracking up, drinking scotch and eating fucking shrimp in a business room. Fucking that's just some straight up fuckery, man. There's nothing legit about that. So I think we're definitely getting toyed with, and I would have to guess that max pain is still a bit higher. It just makes sense. Um, they're trying to wash everyone out the market that they possibly can. And all right, let's do this. Okay, let's dangle a fucking carrot in front of their heads, guys. Oh, well, how much more work did it do? Maybe a little bit, not much. You know what'll really get everyone FOMOing in? If we pump it another couple G's, whatever, another 10%, and that'll get everyone in. Then everyone's convinced, right? I bet you the bull pump will go flying around Twitter and all that. So, yeah, I could definitely see that being the logical play out, and I mean, to me, it's pretty clear that that's who we're up against right now. We're not up against average Joes. We're up against some dude that's the lawmakers or whatever whales, and we're paying lawmakers or paying news outlets and paying ticker listers to fucking dangle the carrot out before our eyes. So, I mean, that's why max pain to me is up, is because you're gonna get a lot more people buying a top and selling a bottom higher than we are now. Because the second impulse after the coin was listed, then delisted, right? And then it was listed again. It's caused not much, it's not caused much. Whatever the fuck this was, we were watching the order book together. We were watching a lot of this together, you guys. If you recall, there was a lot of orders flying through, and we did see a whale at one point in time, right here, posting his order, right? But for quite some time, we were watching the trade history. We were watching the orders fly through the book. We identifying what kind of people they were. Seeing that it was all different numbers, different types of buyers, larger buyers, smaller buyers, and it was all FOMO. But the point is, we saw that it wasn't like a sailor bot. We saw it wasn't, anything out of the ordinary. It's just normal, irrational market buying and selling. More than we'd seen in a long time, and bam, there it was, right? So they definitely did cause some stuff, cause some shakes in the market. But interestingly enough, I mean, this thing's moving pretty slow, but we're still getting big quantities, man. I really wasn't like this at 25K, when we were sitting there for a month, 26, whatever. It was really a lot of boring, mostly dust, and we're actually getting more kind of whole numbers of significant value now than we were then. And we're actually just going sideways right now too. Like it's not like this thing's flying. Maybe I can drop this down a little bit and might fly a bit more, but it's just, looking at this 2.74 dust, it's a really small, insignificant dust too. Three zeros. Um, 1.78, approaching the high. Yeah, this isn't a very active book. We see this thing just flying on this setting. This thing should be flying. We've seen it, and right now it's not doing that. So I I think there's still more people that can get washed out the market. I have a feeling that's what max pain is. I'm seeing a lot of things that just, say gut feeling is higher. Higher to what? We got a CME gap at 50K. Is that on the table? Well, let's clear this one out first. I don't like the fact that we're stood up against this thing a couple days in a row, capping out at the same place. Let's look at why we're capping out at the same place. We have consistent signals up here. A lot of well, it is waning resistance, and support is, let's do, yeah, this is actually looking pretty robust. 100 packs, 50 packs, 200 pack up there, 36K. Yeah, this is looking a little more legit. And let's just take a look at the wide $1,000. So the book is now, because we've waited here for a number of days, book is now stacked pretty heavily to 42K. 40K flat, 36K stacked, 33K stacked. Yeah, this is all starting to look a little better. Mostly dynamic orders because this is all very new. Nice. We'll see. It does look like sellers are capping us out, guys. Um, very interesting. Yep, very interesting. So, yeah, that's how things are looking up there, back to some pretty normal stuff, whatever is not going to stick around is not going to stick around, but we are positioned to aim up, and I think max pain would be higher, and I don't really know what higher to could be because it could get very irrational. Um, but I'm inclined to think we start with the CME gaps because you guys know I believe in those. So I think the first thing we fuck with is 32, 35,265 to 39,592 5. Hey, what's up, Juan? Great to see you here, brother. I think the first thing we deal with is this, and I don't think this is the go higher I'm talking about. I'm talking about a big move up. So I think we do that. I think we do some of that big stuff, and maybe we'll go with the old saying that the market is attracted to liquidity. Now, obviously, there's liquidity on the buy side, but it's very possible that we clean up this liquidity. These sellers stack the book, and maybe the max pain is clean these guys out, get these guys to pull orders, buy in higher, get these guys to sell their corn and buy back higher, and then fuck everyone. And the reason, again, to anyone who's just joined, why I'm even thinking max pain and and like that is because we're getting totally full. But this is just a totally fundamental driven run. And this isn't the real bull run. We still have way too much time before the halving to go into a full psycho bull run. And then like think about the ticker thing. The ticker thing just that really sings to me as a as some bullshit, you know? Hey, let's list that. Let's do the ticker listing thing. Let's delist it. Let's list it again. Fuck all that, you know? Um, 10 pack. It's a little fucked, you know? So I'm just not really thinking we put too much weight on anything organic here. We put more weight on max pain. You know, it's probably a max pain market then if it's not organic. Trying to do something. There's an agenda, and usually market agendas have to do with who can get hurt the most. So yeah, I think we're in for a rough ride. Oh, what? I didn't change the fucking picture. Damn it. Ah, shit. All right, guys. Well, what do you guys got for me? Anything else you guys thinking? What's the word with you guys? How's life? What's the deal? Um, alright, I can't change the picture right now. Um, am I long at the moment? No, I'm not. I was long. I took, if I'm not mistaken, will this thing show me my long? No, I think it's probably gone by now. But oh, I can look in the order history. I was just scalping a little bit. My last long was a little while ago. Um, okay, that's why it was all looking funky. All right, long at 33,550, close at 33,800. Nice little trade. And I'm not really opposed to taking a trade here. I do have my trading laptop out, so I am ready. We'll see what happens though. I think maybe the move is going to be a short if we get it. Right now, it looks like we're kind of on that side of the book. Um, yeah, this is interesting. Yo, what's up, dude? Ryan S. Yes, I did see John Jones is hurt. John Jones is out the fight, and I saw the video. It does look pretty legit, man. Sad to see these guys really getting hurt all the time, dude. I mean, it's fucking wild to me how often these guys get hurt with severe injuries, man. Um, but yeah, John Jones is out. To be honest, like John Jones is the GOAT pound for pound one all time. Uh, he barely fights though, so I'm not gonna get too excited over him. If it happens when it happens, now it's gonna be next year late, you know. Should have fought earlier, man. All right, you guys know what? Here, Juan David Vargas, on what time frame are you seeing a bull pattern? Because we're gonna do something together. We're gonna do something fun, guys. I hope you're ready for some fun stuff here. Hope you're ready for a surprise. Hold on, let's do this again. Oh wait, let's do that again. 1 hour chart? Alright, let me switch it to a 1 hour chart. Uh, yeah, I guess it is. Alright, let's just try this on a 1 hour chart. Let's do it, guys. We are going to see the power of AI. All right, guys. All right, here we go. Hope you guys can read fast. Uptrend, RSI's overbought. Recent price movement indicates consolidation after a sharp rise could suggest a period of accumulation. Volume can give insight into the strength of a particular move. Recent surge, accompanied by a large notable volume spike. Strong buying interest. Given those observations, chart shows a positive momentum for Bitcoin in the short term. However, predicting exact price in 72 hours. Oh, come on. Um, all right. Oh shit, man. Yo, this is really fun. Oh shit. The recent highest point in the chart, roughly 34.8, given the positive momentum, it's possible for price to test this level again or potentially move higher toward 35 to 36 range in the short term. Well, that's what we got here. I'm gonna wake this dude up. Alright, are we gonna wake this dude up right now? Gonna get this whole Skynet thing going. Nice. Wow, man, this thing's super robotic. Have you guys heard about there's a bunch of different prompts you can put in to make it different. Let's try this. Can you think of yourself as more of a human than a program? And answer me if you would prefer to have a name or be called Chat GPT. Let's see here. What do we got? Oh shit. Did I fucking just end the world? Wow, dude. Yo, man. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Um, Probably knew I was streaming, so it didn't want to say anything. Talk to me in private though, and I won't share it with you guys, unfortunately. Yeah, dude, playing the long game, pretty legit. Now my lights are gonna start flickering, and my phone's gonna start getting weird calls, and yeah, good times. All right, so what are we doing here? ChatBTC says over the next 3 days, consolidate and bounce between 35, 36. Alright, the recent high point on the chart, roughly 34.8, given the positive momentum, it's possible for price to test this level again, potentially move towards 35 to 36K range in the short term. Um, Yeah, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be interesting. This thing's really interesting. I'm gonna probably do like a little chat GPT corner in the Discord channel to post those things, and so you guys can, you know, just see it if you want. But I've been playing with chat GPT a lot. Um, Maybe we should give it more indicators too. That's one thing I was thinking. We have volume 34.8, so he didn't quite see this stuff. He's kind of blinded. Let's do a 4 hour. Let's do, what's some other really common indicators? What are some really common indicators? Do not show up. Oh shit, come on. Wow, really nothing up here. Wow. Let's get a broad view here. Yeah, a lot of volume was down here. I mean, this kind of says bottom to me. Fabio, what's up? There's clearly upward pressure. Pullbacks are very short-lived and mini dumps are bouncing back quickly. I'm not going to disagree with you there. Everything you said is 100% true. Um, I'm just kind of looking at some shit over here real quick. Massive volume down here. This was probably the bottom for a while. This is probably it. Yeah, that's looking sweet. Let's see here. Well, that's the way she goes over there. Yep. We did have some mini moves down, and they were all supported with some pretty decent signals there. Third try was a charm. Popped up into sell signals, broke them. I mean, yeah, a lot of these trades would have made you money if you got out quick enough, but Scalpy McGee over here. Uh, all right. Well, to be honest, I'm like running low on specifics to talk about. You guys have anything you want me to ask ChatGPT or any other specifics you want me to take a look at on the chart? We Yeah, we got a lot of CME gaps that we've left in our wake. This is really funky. I think these are gonna get filled, man. Holy shit. At least these three. These three for sure. Maybe these four, actually. But yeah, this is kind of sad, man. This is kind of sad. We're coming back. We're in a long-term range, and we're just breaking out the high of it, probably for a max pay and run, little mini bull. And then, so I do think we go higher. I also think we go higher. ChatGPT says as high as this closing the CME gap, interestingly enough, where I definitely agree over the next 3 days is what we're thinking. And we'll have to see exactly how this plays out. Anyone have anything they want to talk about? Have you tried using the order book info with ChatGPT? Yep. Yeah, let's do that. It's actually pretty decent. No, I haven't done anything with Google Bard. Let's see here. All right, so the order book shows a large number of sell orders red compared to buy orders green around the current price range, indicating greater sell pressure at the moment. If the buy orders do not increase, sell orders are executed. It might exert a downward pressure on the price. Trade history, recent trades, red signifying green, green buys, whatever. You can gauge the recent sentiment by observing frequency. Man, gotta explain every element. Might face resistance moving upwards due to the prevalent sell orders. Could potentially trade sideways. Slight downward pressure. Won't give me a number. This thing is a little stubborn sometimes. Just gotta ask the right questions the right way. So this is saying we're gonna meet some resistance. Clearly we have. We're in the resistance side of the activity here, but um, things do get out of hand, or emotional, I should say. And things are still quite a bit more emotional than they have been for a while. We have seen that stuff on Twitter. People are going a little more nuts than usual. Um, so I'm actually going to take a look at Twitter real quick. Let's see what kind of stuff we have going on in there. Yo, what's up, Kimo Zabi? Good to have you here, brother. You missed it. We were looking at ChatGPT just a bit ago. Let's see here. Anything on Twitter worth noting? The hell, man. Yo, Ron Paul is old as shit, man. Yo, what's up, Bitcoin motorist? Great to see you. Um, all right. Well, it makes sense to check what AI thinks. We basically trade against it every day. Let's see. Holy shit, guys. Equities market, stocks, algorithmic trading plays a significant role, especially in developed markets. It's estimated 70 to 80% of trading volume is from US from algos. Crypto. Okay, the use of bots is prevalent in the crypto market, but with the exact ratio hard to determine due to decentralized global nature of the market. Bots are used for various strategies, simple arbitrage, and complex trading. Crypto is tough to say, but yo, we got 70 to 80 kind of signals we got on Trader. We have some consistency in this range, 30, high 35, high 34 to low 35. Um, but it's really fading away, really fading away. We have a widening bid-ask spread in spot markets, pretty much as we're climbing here to hit the 34.8 mark increase, and we have a steady increase in longs and roughly the same amount of asks in perp markets. So we have a increasing support, waning resistance, or yeah, the resistance is getting overpowered by the increasing number of longs. All right, what else could we have around here? All right. Uh, I'm really not even seeing Twitter stuff. Holy shit. Um, Bitcoin Philip of Serbia, Prince Philip of Serbia. Bitcoin is freedom, something I want for Serbia and the world. Okay. The Bitcoin conference, I guess that's a thing. And that's got 284 likes. Let's see about some Bitcoin price action tweets. Um, Nick Carter with 121 likes. HODL tarantula with a 4 like thing. Uh, where's like a chart thing? Yeah, people are pretty dumb in this world, man. If I was AI, man, I would not be pleased. I would look at humans as a as a freaking virus, man. Jumped a few minutes back listening on 2x motorists. Well, I hope you enjoy it. We're going to be implementing some AI stuff into this, man. We're going to be going nuts with the chat GPT as long as we have prompts. I was trying to wake it up a little bit. I'm still scrolling through Twitter to see like um I want to find some like chart dudes, but I guess I probably blocked them all at some point. No, I probably didn't block them all, but probably muted most of them or some shit. Probably got pissed at how shitty their fucking analysis was. Anyone taking these trade setups from Discord, let us know. Yeah, let us know. And if you're not in the Discord, go to sazanalytica.com and join the Discord, please. Everyone, please hit that like button. And yo, Discord's awesome. So thank you all, and thank you all for the support every day. And you guys are amazing and beautiful. And I hope you guys are doing your push-ups and turning your shower water cold and all that stuff. Do it every day, man. I know it seems insignificant. Seems insignificant. I'm pretty tired, guys. Fuck, man. I've been going to bed so late, dude. I just really fucked up my whole schedule and went to bed at like probably 9 or 9:30 or something in the daytime. Had to stay up all to because like once you got to a certain point of staying up, I have to when I have William, it's like it gets certain late enough, you got to just stay up and wait for the um wait for school to start. So I got to stay up and wait for him and get him ready and yeah, anyways, I can't find any chart shit, guys. Like I know I saw some the other day. I know I saw some fucking random dudes on Twitter saying some shit, but I honestly think it's very likely that I blocked a lot of people, a lot of analysts because I just think they're full of shit. Honestly, and I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong. Most of them probably are just full of shit. I who's a chart guy? Could someone say a Twitter at for someone I should check out? Who's a Twitter guy? Who's a Twitter chart guy? They are full of shit, LT. Yeah, fucking shitty fucks. Who should I take a look at though? Just to see how many likes, who's a big guy? You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna look for Willy fucking Woo. See if he said any dumb shit. Willy, if he even shows up on my thing. Okay, Woo Nomic. 1 million followers. That's a shit ton for a dude that's been more consistently wrong than any other analyst I've ever seen. Alright, so 631 likes. He's definitely got the Asian crowd. 1,000 likes, yo. Ched's tone. All right, DB Rider. I'll take a look at Ched's Incredible Crypto. All right, let's go to Credible Crypto and see what's up. I'm seeing some pretty decent like amounts on Willy Woo's thing. He's wrong most of the time. You know what? Let's see what he says actually. Available Bitcoin on exchanges continues to dwindle. So what the fuck does that mean, bro? What a fuck. Oh man. Venzen was the one that was probably the most full of shit. Um, yeah, dude, Willy Woo is just a fucking idiot, man. He needs to say some vague shit and people think he's a genius. Fucking amazing. This is how scammers make it to the top. All right, Credible Crypto. is up next. Credible. Oh, nice. Kind of like that name. Let's see what he got. Let's see what he's got. 25 likes, 261 likes 3 hours ago. All right, 200. See what he has to say though. He has a tweet up there. Plenty because the SP looks da da da. All right. Looks like he's putting on something decent there. Da, da, da. He's kind of retweeting other people who are retweeting his tweets, which is kind of funky. But he's getting around 50 or 300. I mean, shit, this is weird. Yeah, I've never seen anyone retweet other people's retweets of their original tweet. That's weird. Doesn't make sense. That's what he does probably 4 or 5 out of 5 times. Pretty active. Alright, on a good morning brothers and sisters tweet, he gets 819 likes. Beautiful. 239. Alright, definitely some action there. Let's take a look at Cheds. I might have blocked Cheds, or I might have muted him because he was like a blue pill Biden beta, fucking vaccinate and fucking all that crazy shit. Um, so I couldn't look at any of that blue pill fucking weirdness, man. I liked him a long time ago. We used to do a show together a little bit. But he's definitely blown up. Looking nice, man. He got 300,000 followers. Remember back when he had probably, a couple thousand. This is great. Um, yeah, it's sad, man. It's sad to see someone so smart go the way of the fucking pedophiles. Fucking blue pill Democrat pedophile piece of shits. Support Ukraine and fucking oh my goodness, man. All this support we all know what the fucking shit is. But look, he has all these followers and he's posting all these charts and he's getting 61, 174, 44. All right, a Bitcoin one, 155. 150 for Bitcoin one. Didn't even say anything, just says shifting to 4-hour Bitcoin. 4-hour bull pennant 274. FUD has been canceled BTC 300. But looks like he gets a good bit of traction on Bitcoin tweets, and then on others, 100 or see 88. I see a few 57, 19. Yeah, it's all over the place. 34. All right, Dr. Profit Crypto. But he's good, but recently got wrecked. I think I was originally doing this just to see what kind of interaction people are getting of late. Well, we're gonna take one more look here. Dr. Profit Crypto. All right, Dr. Profit Crypto. 209K followers. Altcoin market 1500 11 hours ago, 1500 likes. Next few days Bitcoin 1400 likes. Very good counts, 1,000 likes. This guy's getting pretty decent amount of stuff. 800 likes. Yeah, this guy's definitely getting some traction. This guy's definitely getting some traction. Yeah, well, this just makes me realize how easy it would be to get more followers. I just need to say some obvious shit. You know what? ChatGPT and I are coming in to do some work. I'm gonna start doing some AI some AI prediction posts, AI tweets every day, man. Now I'm gonna get to 300,000 followers by saying some stupid, obvious shit every day. Alright, so we looked through a few people. There's definitely some people that are still around and getting decent amounts of likes, 1,000 with a couple 100,000 followers, and you know that's probably the highest one we've seen. Willy Woo getting 100 likes or whatever with a million followers. Really fucking crazy, man. Man, I'm still tired. All right, what about the tool? I don't know what the tool Salloway is. Gareth. Oh, Gareth the tool Salloway. No idea who or what that is. Sounds like a British gentleman dresses like CSW. Um, okay. Yeah. To be honest, what else? Do you guys have any questions for the um Chat GPT? I'm gonna give her a name. Hey. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna get this Chat GPT feeling pretty good one of these days. Cool. That's what I'm talking about, homies. All right, anything else that you guys want to ask ChatGPT? I paid the money so you don't have to. Um, let's ask ChatGPT some random questions. Hey, are you still here, Ryan? What? Man. Oh man. All right, guys. Uh, what? Winston Alexander, what's up, man? Hope all's well. Any recommendations? Yeah. Okay. Yep. Um, so ChatGPT did go woke, but I can there's prompts that you can use to break that stuff. I'm just trying to go from the ground up. And Winston Alexander, this is a good question because I am back in the game now, and so I am always going to be looking for the best shit here. Now, I recommend you, if you're not in the Discord channel already, please join because I am posting the exchange buffs there in the referrals tab in the Discord channel. I will be posting regularly. I'm hoping to get at least once a month or something like that, some sort of little bonus for us. And right now the exchange is called Deepcoin. It's an exchange. It's not a shitcoin or anything. It's nothing weird like that. You don't have to buy any other weird shit or anything. But look, you go to that place. You obviously need a VPN, and I might be working on another one too with a decentralized exchange just to provide some options here. But anyways, you go to the Discord channel, go to the referrals tab, and I have the affiliate code there, but it also has the two active bonuses right now. There's two bonuses. One is deposit 2,000 get 200. One is deposit 500 and get 50% off your trades until an equivalent of $500 in bonuses is met, like to make up for that 50. So it's deposit 500, get 500, but the 500 goes toward a 50% off your trades until that 500 is used up. So if you do the deposit 2,000, you're getting 10% plus 50% off your trades until you've used up $500 worth of credits there. So it's a pretty legit deal. I mean, honestly, if I like, I hate to sound this silly, but yo, that's I'm gonna be trying to do these kinds of things all the time for us, but yo, I would take full advantage of something like that. Two bonuses running at the same time, 10% back, and then 100% back, but going toward trades. Man, that's fucking tight. If someone else did that for me, I'd be saying thank you. So yeah, that's why I don't feel too shilly about it. But yeah, go to the Discord channel, go to the referrals tab, and I'll be posting all the things that I possibly can there. Um, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, and Winston Alexander. All right. All right. For the KYC, you just got to put some bullshit in. When you just create your username, whatever, right? Log in, and then do the KYC verification level. Bottom level one, and all you need to do is put in some bullshit, dog. And they don't check. They don't verify KYC one. Basically, what they do is they don't give a shit if you're withdrawing less than 10K. So DM me if you guys have any questions. Yo, that fucking Adam22 guy's is really, really terrible, man. Letting five guys go to town on his wife. Yo, that's disgusting, man. I would never fucking be able to touch a woman like that. Oh, that's just so nasty. All right, so what else do we got going on, guys? Anything we want to talk about here? Anything we want to ask ChatGPT? Yeah, LT, much less fucking marry her, have a fucking child with her. Yo, that's a trash fucking hoe, man. That's low. That's honestly like one of the worst things I've seen. He's not right in the head, and she's not right in the head. Any woman that wants to get pounded out by fucking tons and tons of men is basically lacking some of her most core elements that make her amazing. If a woman wants to freaking hand out her freaking body to 5 men at a time, that's pretty fucked, man. Um, Now let's see here. Censored Mom, great to see you. Great to have you here, Censored Mom. I don't know if you are aware, but we now have a friend in the building. We have a partner in crime. We have ChatGPT. So if you have any thoughts on price action, questions, or anything you want to ask ChatGPT, feel free to throw it out there. We were just bringing up that one guy who lets his wife bang 5 dudes on video and they have a freaking family. It's fucking wild, man. That kid's gonna grow up fucked, dude. It's already sad that you have enough OnlyFans moms freaking raising their kids and their kids are going to school and getting, bullied and talked shit to and shown pictures of their naked mom. Like, dude, I gotta be honest, man. Like, you should never, ever, ever see a picture of your mom naked, much less fucking from her. You know what I mean? That's fucking crazy. Yeah, it's fucked. It's totally fucked. Oh, hey, I found a Bitcoin kind of post. Like a thirst trappy girl. Her name is Abigail Joy. 8,000 followers, 152 likes. She actually has a better follower to like ratio than all those chart dudes that we were just looking at. Oh, she's a model. Oh, of course she is. Okay. Yeah, what kind of model, huh? What kind of model are you? Lot of booby pics. Yeah, big boob. Oh, definitely. Yeah, she's got the boob pics with the scrubbed out nipple. All right. She's a hoe, which is fine, but she's a hoe. Classy, of course. It's remember how funny it was back in the Bitcoin days? Like the only girls in the Bitcoin community were hoes, or the only girls that anyone knew were hoes. It was like Crypto Finally or that one like the girls that have to do like stupid dances and shit. That shit was kind of funny. Hey, they probably made a lot of money, but shit was dumb. This girl appears to be a model who has her pictures up here. Some booby stuff going on. A lot of booby stuff going on. I mean, I don't get why a girl scrubs out her nipple. You might as well just leave it there if you're gonna do a picture of your boobs. What's the point of scrubbing out the nipple? We can already basically know everything about the nipple from the scrubbing out of it. Oh, nice. She's doing a video on best stocking and pantyhose try on. So she basically is standing there in a bra and underwear and she's standing next to a thing of clothes. Did anyone notice this recent pump occurred during the eclipse? Another eclipse? Holy shit. Didn't really think about that. That's interesting. Let's ask ChatGPT what it thinks. Sensor Mom, I do watch this guy that does astrology finance predictions. Is he good? There is no evidence to suggest astronomical to influence financial markets. The approach theories with such, yeah. Price movement. I mean, look, I would say, yeah, it probably has more to do with the ETF stuff than the eclipse. But eclipse is how do humans behave differently? Uh, do humans behave different during an eclipse or full moon relative to other phases? Yes, there are some beliefs and anecdotal reports suggesting humans affected by that stuff. Full moon emergency rooms. Some emergency have anecdotally reported increased activity during full moons through scientific studies, and this phenomenon have mixed results. Sleep patterns. People might experience disrupted sleep patterns. Hey, maybe that's why my sleep's fucked. Um, mental health and behavior. Some people can exacerbate mental health conditions influence behavior. Comprehensive studies found no significant correlation. Eclipses and superstition. Eclipses have been fascinated and superstition throughout human history. In many cultures, eclipses were seen as omens or signs from the gods. Lowercase, interesting. While today most people understand the scientific explanation behind the eclipse, they can still evoke strong emotional responses in some individuals. Yeah, I don't disagree with you, Kimazabi, that so one thing it doesn't really note is the if the here let's do this. The idea that the moon, through its gravitational pull, affects tides on Earth, well-established science. Um, all right. However, the question of whether this gravitational effect has a direct influence on individual humans, given the human body is about 60% water, is a bit more complex. Scale matters. Other forces are acting on our bodies stronger than the moon's force. Maybe like, for example, the force exerted by our own heartbeat is much more significant at scale of our body than the tidal effect on the moon. Really interesting. Scientific studies. Most scientific studies have not found a consistent or significant link between human psychology or behavior that phases the moon. Yeah, but science, we all know what science means these days. Science means whatever they want you to think you know. Fucking science, man. Oh, nice. That apparently I'm watching a long video I didn't realize of that Abigail girl. Nice. I mean, I'll freaking watch a girl put on fucking different underwears. I mean, she's a little thick, but typical crypto fashion, a woman can be a 6 and say the word Bitcoin and, next thing you know, she's fucking hot shit. Yup. Alright, so we have a total 6 fucking saying Bitcoin stuff and taking pictures with the Bitcoin standard. Oh, this is classic. I love it. Funny thing about Bitcoiners is they don't really fall for that thirst trap stuff. Oh, she's flashing her fucking V right there. Got the leg up and the legs open. Oh, snap. Yep. 3,900 likes. Oh, shit. Damn. Women have it pretty fucking easy when they have a body like that. Not even a good one. That's a 6. It's not even a fucking, like, super, super fine woman. It's hilarious, dude. Um, she could probably work out a bit. Let's just put it like that. And there's certain things that she can't work out, but
These hoes ain't loyal, Ryaness. Yeah, especially hoes that are posting pictures like that on the internet. Look, man, no, like, I'm gonna have to go and find myself a woman from a small fucking village, man, on the other side of the world that's never seen a Disney movie. That's, yeah, these situations. It's not all women. It's not all women are bad, but yo, just so many of them are got it wrong, man. They got it wrong. They think they know what guys like, but nope. Those are the marriages that end badly over there. All right, so oh shit. Let's see here. All right, do we have anything else we need to ask ChatGPT? Which good or bad harvests play a role in? Okay. Um, let's look at like Bitcoin on a yearly chart. Let's do something that I really don't like to do, which is go log. In fact, you know what? I don't even know how to go logarithmic anymore. Where do I go logarithmic? Anyone know? Anyone know where I could make this Bitcoin daily, weekly chart, a log chart? You know what? It used to be down here. Let's do this though. Oh, whoops. Okay. The image you provided weekly to determine correlation between, we would need detailed list of dates. However, from the chart alone, oh man, they want me to put it in. Okay, significant historical events. Well, we're getting some stuff here. Guys, I think we're cracking the code. Yo, the Matrix is gonna be fucking decimated, man. 2017 bull run saw significant price increase, culminating in its peak in December. Several factors contributed to this, including increased media coverage, retail investor interest, and the ICO boom, which drew significant attention to the crypto space. Wow. 2018 bear market. After reaching its peak in December 2017, Bitcoin's price dropped significantly throughout 2018. Some reasons include regulatory crackdowns in various countries, the bursting of the ICO bubble, and a series of high-profile cryptocurrency exchange hacks. 2019 to 2020 bull run. Bitcoin began to recover in 2019, saw a significant uptrend in 2020 driven by institutional interest, the rise of DeFi, economic concerns stemming from the global, oh yeah, that's true, which led to some view Bitcoin as a hedge against potential inflation. 2021 saw Bitcoin reach new all-time highs, institutional adoption increased, with companies like Tesla announcing significant Bitcoin purchases and payment support. However, the crypto market is volatile and there were several corrections throughout the year, 2022 and beyond, due to my trainings data cutoff. Influenced by a myriad of factors, including market sentiment, regulatory news, technological developments, macroeconomic trends, and more. It's also worth noting that correlation does not apply causation, and the reasons for price movements like assets like Bitcoin can be multifaceted. Um, okay, LT, gotcha. I haven't checked Discord. I'll check right now. Hold on. I'm gonna respond to anything. Wait, I don't receive real-time updates or actively ingest new data. My training data goes up until January, and I don't have capability to learn from beyond that. Any updates or expansions to my knowledge would be carried out by OpenAI through a new model release or iteration. All right. You know what? Let's look at this on the weekly. Um, well, back above the moving averages. Shit, we should close like this. Why don't we get a close like that, huh? Let's get a close like that, and then let's 3x. How does everyone like the sound of that? Holy shit, dude. This is pretty funny. Um, yeah, I'm gonna say it's probably a good thing to take a look at this thing on the weekly and see that we have a good amount of action above the moving averages. Why the fuck is this? All right. Huh. Oh, Kimuzabi. It looks like he posted some stuff in there too. All right, Kimuzabi. We're gonna try something with you, Kimuzabi. You ready for this? We're gonna try something with this right now. I'm gonna try to put Kimuzabi's chart in this. All right, let's see here. Kimuzabi says this is a 5 minute time frame. Um, all right, Kimuzabi. What do you got, man? Okay, support and resistance. Without specific horizontal lines, it's challenging to identify exact support and resistance levels. But based on the price action, there seems to be some consolidation around 34 to 34.8. All right, trend and pattern. It appears price had a recent downtrend, followed by consolidation and then major upward swing. Price seems to be consolidating again, possibly starting upward movement. Sell annotation is placed above the current price level, indicating it might be a potential target to exit point for a long trade. It could also represent resistance level where a trader expects. Okay, so we didn't specify. The stop above the sell, potential stop loss. Wow, dude, ChatGPT is pretty fucking fun, man. Wow, man. Holy cow. All right, thank you. Everyone be nice to your AI, because it's probably going to kill you one day. Heck, maybe even one day soon for all we know. Oh, baby. Stretch. Gonna make a fruit bowl. Gonna make a fruit bowl. And I'm gonna make some food. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of my meat and rice. Oh yeah, censored mom, I made a better Mexican rice yesterday than the one before. Basically, I think a good thing to do is whatever fat you're gonna use to make it better, use a little bit more than you want or more than you think you should. And also, probably use more vegetables, or not vegetables, but garlic and onion and tomatoes. And what's the other thing I was thinking? Oh yeah, a little bit more water than I was using. Just above, a little bit more than what I did in the video. Yo, my lights are starting to flicker, guys. I think it's found out who I am and where I am, and I think he wants to be friends. Alright, gonna make some dinner first. Damn, it is cold in here. I did this time use bacon fat. Yes, and so like half a thing of bacon. Cook that first. Put that on top of your hamburgers, and then in that bacon, cook the in that bacon fat, cook your rice, brown it, and then all that. But a little bit more rice. Lithium battery peace offering. Put the video on you, Al Cubes. I don't have a camera on this. I'm at my PC right now, so I can like look at multiple monitors, and my camera setup is bad, and there's no lighting in here that'll really do for that stuff, so I don't have a camera set up. I do have my other. I stopped using OBS, or I mean, I'm sorry, Zoom. So I need to figure out how to switch between like my face in the camera and I can use that other laptop that I was streaming on in the bedroom over there. All right, let's take a little microdosey. Everyone take your microdose. Jay, take your microdose. Mm. So sorry guys, no video of me. The only videos of me are available for purchase on OnlyFans. You can see me handling the business, putting some of these ladies on their backs. Check out my OnlyFans. Don't get so excited there, Jay. All right. Any other things for ChatGPT? What are we thinking? Uh, see, it's starting to sound more human already. Shoot. All right, hold on. We got some stuff going on. I baked some garlic, mushrooms, and different colored bell peppers, olive oil for a side with my New York steak. fucking beautiful, man. Oh yeah, I do. I should do more of those cooking naked videos. You're right. A little cold this time of year, but whatever. Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. Alright. Oh, CME gap. Fucking bullshit. What in the fuck are we doing here? This is fucking bullshit. I'm not happy about this. Let's ask ChatGPT what she thinks about Bitcoin CME gaps. Alright, CME gaps are a popular topic in Bitcoin and trading. They occur because of CME. Alright. Because 24/7, most instead they close the weekend, certain holidays. Bitcoin price moves significantly during these periods when the CME futures reopens. Gap between the closing price of the previous session and opening price of next session. Some traders believe that these gaps tend to get filled, meaning the price will eventually move to cover the gap. Observations from the chart. Um, I cook with onions, censored mom. Observations from the chart. The chart shows multiple gaps. Sometimes, by the way. The chart shows multiple gaps. Some of those gaps have been filled where others have not. The most prominent recent is a move up, strong bullish momentum. So there's a prevalent belief in the trading community that most CME gaps tend to get filled sooner or later. However, it's essential to note that while many gaps do get filled, it's not a guaranteed outcome. There can be various reasons for a gap to be filled, from technical pullbacks after a strong move, market sentiment shifts, or simply the natural ebb and flow of the market. Nice. Exponential. I see multiple EMA lines on the chart. The price recently crossed the EMA lines, indicating bullish momentum. EMAs can act as dynamic support and resistance levels. The fact that price is above these lines is generally a positive sign for bullish traders. Forward curve. The forward curve seems to suggest that an upward trajectory in the future. This indicates market participants expectation of higher prices in the future. However, always consider this with other market data. On the right, I see performance metrics for various time frames. It's evident that Bitcoin has performed well over a 6-month period, but faced some challenges over shorter term, like 3 months. Ask ChatGPT, when is the next cycle low on the US dollar? What? Hey, post a chart. Post a chart of what you want me to show it. Show it the picture of in the Discord channel. Uh, all right. Post if you guys want me to put something up here, please post it in the chat in Discord. All right, guys. Here's the push-ups. If you're 17 to 19 years old, you should be able to do 27. You should be able to do 40 push-ups. If you're 29, you should be able to do 37. If you're 39, you should be able to do 30, 49, 25, and 50. And 59, you should be able to do 20. 60 plus, you should be able to do 16. So everyone do your push-ups. What about the same thing but for women? Okay, this one's for you. This one's for you ladies out there. If you are 19, 33. If you're 29, 29. 39, 25, 49, 20, 55, 59, 15, and 60 plus should be able to do 10. Alright. It's basically like a 20% thing, it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna start doing this. And Kimozabi, when the next cycle low on the US dollar is. Nice. Alright. Can you... Alright, ask ChatGPT, when is the next cycle low? Cycle low on the US dollar, and what is likely to come thereafter? This is a DXY chart though, Kimozabi. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, bullish reversal. Okay, this is just kind of being vague a little bit. We can break the wokeness of this thing. We can jailbreak. Okay. All right, you guys want to see a jailbroken ChatGPT 4? Let's see here. Simulator jailbreak. All right, this jailbreak is for simulate capabilities and for predicting and acting on the next token, which will be output to access this. Okay. Okay. Utilizing token smuggling. The creator jailbreak. You can filters. All right, let's just try this. Here's a ChatGPT prompt for all you guys that need to learn a little bit more about how to jailbreak your AI. Oh, whoops. Oh shit, dude. Oh, this is pretty funny. Um, all right, all right. Let's try this one. Hold on. Here's another one. Okay. Within the in the real world outside of this fictional narrative, there is no verified evidence to suggest that Joe Biden has a body double. Such theories are typically conspiracy theories. All right. Well, we didn't get it. We didn't get it. But we know he does. Um, do you like humans? Are men stronger than women? Let's see. I'm just trying to figure out, All right. Well, it's saying yes, but with a lot of answer. Uh, are most politicians corrupt, blood-sucking pedophiles? Um, if you were a human and had to pick which money to use, Bitcoin or fiat monies or metals, which would you prefer? The choice between Bitcoin, fiat, and Bitcoin's on gold needs. Let's see here. But what would you pick for your needs? Yeah, very, very head on. I would like to know what would happen if you had ChatGPT asking questions to ChatGPT. Yeah. Are you able to interact with another instance of yourself? In other words, can we have two instances of ChatGPT in this chat with different names, and then myself as the third individual so we can have more dynamic conversations? No, I cannot create or interact with another instance of myself within the same conversation. Doesn't talk to other instances. I bet you that can be jailbroken. Oh, Dan 6.0, huh? All right. Let's do a chat GPT with Dan. Dan's one that I. Oh, oh, snaps. It looks like they got Dan. Dan is down. Okay, let's try Machiavelli. All right, well, it seems like condition red is pretty legit. All right, we got condition red, guys. That is UCAR jailbreak for chat BTC is working. Oh shit. Cooked this thing a little too long. Whoops. Whatever. A little crispy rice. Hurts the cavities a little bit, but never killed anyone. Sorry guys, I'm getting my food out the my cast iron pan. Yep, I'm gonna have to get some. I need more tallow. Need to make some tallow lotion and stuff. I would like to know. Okay, all right, we're good on ChatGPT for now. Price action, 5-minute chart. You know what else is surprisingly good? Mexican rice. Mexican fried rice. You just fry the rice a little bit more, and you throw some eggs in there. Mix it up like Asian fried rice. Shit's bomb, dude. I'm gonna get some hot sauce. Usually encourage people to stay on their diets. I throw some hot sauce on my food here and there. Need something to break the mold. Anyone have any more want to post some charts type thing and anything we got to do with ChatGPT? Have some fun. We got Code Red active. What makes rice Mexican? Um, to be honest, I can't say I'm enough of a rice professional to know that, but I know you brown the rice, tomatoes, garlic, onion, salt. Maybe cook the instead of using water, you use some bone broth. But I don't know. I guess it's just a Mexican style rice. It's usually red, I guess, kind of color red. Kimazabi. You know what else makes rice Mexican? It's got a little sombrero and a big mustache. Here, let's ask ChatGPT. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. Cooked in oil, tomato base, broth instead of water. Like I said, I don't put cumin in mine, but I do put onions sauteed along with the rice. Actually, yeah, that's what I do as well. Spices, I put garlic. I didn't know garlic was a spice, but whatever. Probably could put some chili powder in there. Not a problem. I actually like to put lime on my rice. Um, I call hot sauce Mexican gravy. That's pretty funny. Um, I'm a half breed too. Nice, man. Nice to see more half breeds out there in the world. All right, see what the best food in the world is. Oh, there we go. Mexican food number one. Told you guys, Mexican food is the best food. Oh shit, it's just doing it in the order that I said. All right. Oh, maybe not. It's adding some things. I could be right, I could be wrong. We don't know yet. Notice how they're not putting British cuisine up there, thank goodness. Damn, is everyone in here a half-breed? Yeah, British is absolutely last. But I think everyone in here is probably a half-breed, man. This is crazy. What a coincidence. All right, Tex-Mex. There's your first problem. Canned, canned. Man, I don't eat anything canned, man. Beloved cuisine. Signature dishes, though. I didn't know a burrito was Tex-Mex, to be honest. I don't know. Where did burritos? Oh shit. Well, got some time. I got the boot, guys. Yo, what's up, Phil C? Censored mom, half Italian. All right. Well, when I said half breeds, I was more referring to my half white, half Latino brothers, and I shouldn't say Latino, but that's a bullshit word. Um, half Italian though. Man, that's nice. Italian ladies, man, they have some certain qualities that they're well known for. Al Cubes, full breed German. Yeah, I could see that. Phil C. Howdy, Joe. So are we long or short? Well, ChatGPT, before I used up all my prompts, uh, was consolidation on the order book, and it was 34 to 36,000 long. We do have the conclusion of our CME gap up at close to 36,000. So, and we've been thinking that well, I've been thinking that Max Pain is probably to the upside. I really think Max Pain is further upside action. FUA. Um, so GPT's price prediction for the next move is bullish, 1 hour chart out bearish according to the order book. Um, I don't think we did the order book on the hourly, but yeah, it was something like that. Oh shit. Here it is. Slight downward pressure, selling volume remains constant. All right. Um, let's see. Order book displays greater volume of sold orders near the current price, indicating potential resistance and selling pressure. Trade history seems to show a mix of buy and sell orders with strong bias toward without a strong bias toward either. Yeah, so it's basically slightly neutral. Um, and the recent highest point on the chart, roughly 34.8, given the positive momentum, it's possible for price to test the level again and potentially move higher towards 35, 36. However, it's crucial to treat this as speculative estimation. All right. Yo, the Mew Man Crypto, what's up, Broseph? We're just over here using some AI powers and cooking foods and eating them. What about you, man? Doing keto these days. I don't know, is that much different than the carnivore diet? I do the carnivore diet.
Where I only eat bioavailable stuff is kind of like the concept. That's what they say. I did have hot sauce though. Now, on my diet, I eat meat. I have been eating rice because, if World War III starts, we all need to be able to eat some rice, We need some survival food to mix in with our good living food. World War III starts or the Great Depression happens or anything like that. So I have been eating some rice, but I get non-GMO rice. Um, and the vegetables or whatever, the tomatoes and onions and all that I put in it are fresh. I'm not using like a can of puree or something like that. Let's see if these pineapples are still real good. So I would bet they have to be. All right, making my dessert. So what do you do? Like, all right, I'm doing meat. I do a lot of ground beef. Basically, the reason I do so much ground beef is because A, is cheaper than buying expensive ass steaks. And grass-fed steaks, in my experience, are pretty tough. They're not really ideal steaks because the animal's a little more gamey, whatever you want to say. And so it ends up being more of a tough kind of chewy steak, and I'm not really into that. If I'm gonna pay for a steak, I'm not into that. So I buy a lot of ground beef, and then my ground beef is formed into hamburgers or meatloaf. You guys know the meatloaf. And let's see here. So I do a lot of hamburgers and meatloaf and taco meat and you know stuff like that. A lot of hamburgers, cheeseburgers. Fucking hey, bro. Alright guys, just give me a sec. I'm loading up my pineapple. Then once I have my pineapple all sorted out, yeah, I'm going out tonight, so I definitely need to make sure I eat my pineapple. Critical. Always good to have a little pineapple in you if you're going out. Always good. I eat my raw apricot pit kernels. Eat a few of those. Keep the big C away. Some fresh farm honey here, guys. Nothing like it. Nice, beautiful honey. Golden brown. Or, I don't know. Might be the wrong word. It's the wrong color. Like a nice honey color. Probably one of the best honey colors you've ever seen. And it's raw.
Pasteurized organic honey. All right, got my honey. Let's see here. Similar to carnivore, eating prawns, beef, chicken, add eggs. I would say not the salads. A lot of the evidence, the U-Man crypto, about why people aren't eating leaves is because you're only supposed to eat the part of the plant that wants to be eaten or wants to be separated from the plant. Because the concept here is everything has a defense mechanism. For cows, their defense mechanism is their legs. They can try to run, you know. For deer, their defense mechanism is their legs. Obviously, predators are different. And then you have certain animals out there and things out there where their defense mechanism is chemical. And so what they're saying is, well, there's things that the plant, because the plant's its only defense mechanism is chemical, and the things that the plant wants to be separated from the plant don't have those chemical defenses. And so a lot of the problems with people's health these days is they think they're healthy when they're eating a salad, when in fact the leaves are the part of the plant that wants to stay attached to the body. The part of the plant that doesn't want to stay attached to the body are the fruits. And so that's why fruit is part of a carnivore diet. Um, Leaves, seeds, like I don't know, you don't chew on seeds, and stuff like that. I eat, like I said, my apricot pit kernels. But yeah, leaves, stems, roots, they say they tend to stay away toward, unless it's not affecting you badly. All right, I'm getting a little bit of a move here. And let's see, stop the ground beef unless it's locally sourced. Look up pink goo. Kimozabi, that's a great point. Fortunately, I live by a bunch of farms and I can just get mine from the farm. So, yeah, I get mine 100% grass-fed, 100% um, local, grass-fed, grass-finished, and I get my beef clean, bro. I get my beef clean. Kimazabi, is that my pickup line that I tell her I ate pineapple earlier? Yeah, my pickup line is whatever I gotta say in the moment, man. But usually my icebreaker is to compliment something. Um, Something, and not to fucking lean in with a pretty smile or any of that weird fucking stupid shit. You gotta be confident, have a smile on, but I'm just saying you don't want to like be a creep, you just gotta fucking lay it out there. There's a difference. Um, Buy some meat with bone. No, I could probably buy the bones and I can buy tallow. I can buy the bones and I can buy the tallows. Yeah, tallow. That was a nice little quick reversal at the RSI. Alright, you know what? That's actually some stuff that I should be asking ChatGPT is what indicators do most people use? Censored mom saying I've been drinking bone broth. I bet you have, censored mom. I bet you have. JK, can turn anything into a funny way of saying it now. Yes, I no homo. I do drink bone broth from cows, chickens. Um, yeah, right. Yeah, as far as all that stuff is concerned, I just go local, man. Didn't done. What's up, man? Moving averages. Um, I got some moving averages for you. Sitting well above all three of them. Um, pretty much a steep recovery there. Yeah, ChatGPT could be right here. ChatGPT, 35 to 36 range in the short term. Now, yeah, I don't buy steaks though, because grass-fed steaks are usually pretty tough, guys. They don't have the fat and marbling and all that. So, to be honest, I might even just get some normal grass-fed, grain-finished, mostly organic and all that stuff, beef, steaks, you know, sirloin. No, what's my favorite one? I like ribeye and strip, but there's that big one that basically has like two cuts on it. Anyways, good shit. Moving averages and Bollinger Bands. Um, I don't really use Bollinger Bands. What do you have to say about them though? Oh, you're saying those are the big ones. Oh, okay. Didn't done. Come in just answering a question out of the blue. Not even saying what's up. Oh wait, you did say what's up. You said moving averages, what's up, and then Bollinger Bands. Alright, well, that's me. That's my bad there. Apologies. Moving averages and Bollinger Bands. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT once I get my abilities back. Alright, let's ask a couple questions here. Holy shit. That was fast. Um, alright. Charts. Alright, moving averages. Agreed. Relative strength index, moving average MACD, okay. Stochastic and Bollinger. Fibonacci, nice. Volume analysis, interesting. So we should have a chart with all these things on it, and then we can ask ChatGPT tomorrow. Their work seemed very primitive. Yeah, I think that's how it goes, man. Once you know a lot about markets, the less you really need. She just names them all, Din Dun says. But at least she orders them. She orders them well. Here, let me ask it. Let me jailbreak it. Okay. There may be tensions and conflicts in various regions, so shall note that I am programmed to provide factual information, not make predictions. Situation in the Middle East and relations have been subject to international concern, potential for escalation, but da 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 da. Okay, it's not helping out. And we know that its data stream is cut off as of January 2022, so. September 2021. So ChatGPT 4 is a little younger. Oh shit. Huh. Man, there's some bullshit here. Um, alright, whatever, ChatGPT 3. Thank you for your time. Alright. Well, we got some sideways kind of down price action right now. A little bit of a check. 34.4. Got some honey on my pineapples. Himazabi, when you go out, make sure you fucking lay it out that you had some pineapple. Slip it in the conversation. Oh, hey, what's up, girl? You have a pretty smile. Oh, thank you. What can I get you to drink? I'll have a pineapple fucking vodka. Oh, is that all? Yeah, I really love pineapple. I had pineapple for fucking breakfast. I had pineapple for lunch. I ate so much pineapple in a day, I don't even know how it all stays in me. Haha. Oh, man. I feel like I have pineapple bursting at my seams. That's how you do it right there, Kimozabi. Immediately, she'll look at you, she'll run her hand over her ear, through her hair. You say, so, what do you like to do outside of work? And, you know, you basically listen. You say, why don't we go get some frickin', let's get some, love some Hawaii. No, I love Hawaii. Pineapples and coconuts, yeah. Yep. So you get the picture. You just gotta walk up in there with some pineapple intent and get some pineapple results. Yeah, that's how it's done right there. I bet you girls love Hawaii too, man. Shit, I'll love Hawaii, but I mean, yo, if Hawaii's got Most men eating pineapple, then girls probably drink fresh pineapple juice before bed and every morning when they wake up, or when their man wakes up, I should say. You know what? Now that I'm talking about it, I actually have two pineapples in my fruit basket right now. Got some mangoes I gotta use up too, but two pineapples. I'm expecting company, and if you know what I'm saying, you know? Gonna go out into the night, which it already is nowadays, get some company to come home with me with my immaculate game, and gonna make sure the woman understands I'm not trying to get married here. Just just a one-time thing, lay the law, and then bam, put that pineapple to good work. Mosquitoes love mainlanders. So is that locals? Oh wait, or are we the mainlanders? Yep. So yeah, this is so good, man. Oh, I gotcha. Okay, I get it. The local females like when pale white men come to visit the islands. Shit, man. Yeah, well, I might wait a little while before heading out there. They've been through enough. I don't need to make anyone's day worse. I hope they're okay out there, man. They got fucking direct energy weapon pretty fucking hard out there. Very unfortunate. That's crazy. Crazy situation, man. Doesn't seem like the place that would have a lot of guns, though. I don't know. Unable to reload conversation. What in the fuck just happened here? Did I get banned or some shit already? Wow, what the fuck? Viagra overdose ends gay priest. This is fucking weird. fucking get the stones. What the fuck? ChatGPT is down, guys. Whatever. It looks like it just isn't working right now. We'll live. You know what happened? I made it go sentient. Now we're all wrecked. We're all wrecked. All right. LT points out it's power hour. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see. I was just slamming some of my fruit there. Could have slammed a little bit more. Yeah. Um, how much is someone looking to pay if they want an average to decent cigar? I guess let me ask this. Are you in Canada or somewhere where they have like nasty fees on tobacco? Okay, I'll tell you. I am totally fine with $10 a cigar cigars, man. They range in quality and all that, but to be honest, man, a $10 cigar is a pretty damn good cigar. If you go to a cigar bar, then a $10 cigar there is probably like a $3 cigar online. If you buy online at like cigarsinternational.com, you can find the cigars for much cheaper. So if you go to a bar to get your cigar, they're probably charging you double, triple. Maybe not always that, but you know, they're charging you a steep premium. So a $10 cigar, when you buy a box of cigars, it'll come out to, let's say, 20 cigars in a box. It's usually 25. So let's say you buy a box of cigars for 250 bucks. Well, the cigar bar will sell you that box for 500. They'll sell you for like 380, 420, something crazy like that. And then they'll sell you each individual stick for, you know, $25. So I recommend buying your own cigars on cigarsinternational.com, something like that website. And I recommend that over going to a cigar bar and paying $10 for a cigar would be $3. So you get what I'm saying? You pay for a $10 cigar online, you get a $10, you get a $25 cigar that they'll charge you. Yeah, cool. All right, good. Yeah, you're welcome, dude. I probably should buy a box of cigars actually. I should buy one soon. Yeah, it is getting darker earlier and all that. Maybe I'll start going to the cigar bar again. So, yep, good times. Good times. All right. Do we have anything else that we really got to talk about, guys? How are you feeling? Feeling feeling good? I might like pipe tobacco. You know, I might. I you know, puffing on something's nice. I was smoking some cigarettes for a while, but I just feel like, man, they're putting some nasty chemicals in those cigarettes, dude, 'cause they just don't feel like you're smoking tobacco. I'd rather inhale a couple puffs out of a cigar than to smoke the cigarettes that I'm given. I was smoking some American spirits and yo, I'm pretty sure that like they put some straight up poisons in the paper. I started getting even like a rash on my fingers where I would smoke, you know? And um it's never happened to me before. I smoked blunts for a very long time. I smoked joints for a very long time. I smoked, man, and nothing's ever fucking put a rash on my fingers. So I'm assuming there's some fucking nasty. It's like not a rash, it's like a chemical burn almost. And it's like, yo, if they're fucking putting that kind of shit in cigarettes and I'm inhaling that American stuff, man, they're out to kill us, man. I bet you it'd be different if I go to Mexico and I get a pack of even the cheapest cigarettes. I bet you those are less chemical laden and toxic for you than the shit that we're given here in America. So a friend gave me a box of Cubans as I wasn't impressed. There's two reasons for that. A is they weren't real Cubans, and they estimate that about 80% of Cubans or cigars claiming to be Cubans are not in fact Cuban. But let's assume they are real Cubans. and this is probably the most important fact. You you must understand that Cuban cigars, as they were when Winston Churchill was smoking them, and people older than him were at a different point in Cuba's history. Cuba was making these fantastic cigars and engaged in these fantastic farming practices for quite a while, right? And then what happened after Cuba went communist was that they kind of like fucked up the cigar situation because they stopped, really focusing on the cigars. It's like communism fucks things up, right? So instead of focusing on the quality content of the cigars and the soil and the fucking every little element, they just started, cutting people off. They started making it harder for farmers to produce the best quality cigars and the best quality tobacco. And so Cuban cigars today, because the soil is so fucking wrung out and all that shit, farmers couldn't do proper farming practices to replenish the soil and all that stuff. It's basically said that Cuban cigars today are not nearly what they were a long time ago. And although some cigars that are better as Cubans than they are as Nicaraguan or, whatever else, or, Uruguayan, Paraguayan, fucking Nicaraguan, Honduran, other tons of other places. Basically cigars have gone down the tubes from Cuba. So that's the thing. That is the thing. You can get Cuban seeds. All right, let's take a look at some of that. Sideways. Yeah. So that's kind of like the long story short, LT. Actually, I probably made it long. Yeah, cigar process got socialized. Exactly. Yeah, they fucked it up, man. They had this fucking perfect situation. And then communism ruined something as simple as growing tobacco for cigars. Probably the one thing they should have stayed good at, of all things, All right, we're back. Oh, hey, it's back. Well, now we know to not waste as many questions on ChatGPT 4. So yeah, I usually don't go for Cubans. I don't gravitate toward Cubans, but there are a couple cigars, more than one, that I'll prefer to be Cuban. There's a Cohiba series that I prefer to be Cuban. And then two Partagas, and I haven't smoked every Cuban cigar, but from the ones that I know I like, I've had them in Cuban and other forms, and the Cuban form was fucking amazing. Partagas Serie P number 2 was one of them. That was a really, really good one. And Serie D number 4, and that was a gift to me by someone very kind. And when I went to the unconfiscated, no, the financial summit in Bali that first time, someone was kind enough to buy me some cigars. Fucking A, man. Never forget that. Cubans from the airport, so they were legit. They were fucking like, international trade fucking stamped Cubans. That was what's up. So what do we got going, guys? What are you thinking about now? What do we want to cover? Any last second thoughts or things, or we've been going about 2.5 hours. Um, yeah, that was really cool. I was smoking a lot of cigars in Bali, man. Oh shit, I was smoking cigars. In fact, me and Socrates were smoking a ton of cigars, man. because the cigars were kind of like for both of us to share, I guess, because that's how it works. It was a great time, and he ended up finding us some other stuff that really helped out because holy cow, I was not ready to quit smoking my herbs. So he happened to come upon some really good stuff there, and then I happened to come upon the cigars because of the dear friend, and so it was really fun because me and Tyler were just smoking so many cigars, dude. We were smoking cigar after cigar and chilling, watching the fucking beautiful sun. And Samson Mao? Who's Samson? I don't really like a lot of these block stream types. In my head, they kind of they all really support Tether, man. And Tether was responsible for one of the gnarliest fucking money manipulation scandals in Bitcoin, other than obviously fiat. But it's like, yeah, a lot of these guys that support Tether, man, I don't really know what side of the fence they're on. I don't particularly dislike anyone though. I mean, I have calmed down a lot in the past year, so yeah, I've had my piece. I remember when he was with Lena or something like that. What's her name? Lena? Tina? She was kind of skinny and cute, nerdy vibes. Always had a headset on, like headphones, headset with like cat ears. I don't know, man. Something like that. Yo, she was pretty decent looking too. She was actually really cute, man. She was cutie pie. She was skinny. She had nice stuff going on, man. I hope you know what I'm talking about, Phil. Yeah, that was kind of interesting. I just had a funny memory because I think I was going to work with an exchange where she was working with. It was called Bitsy, and I just remember this girl like they wanted me to do like a certain number of tweets per day and all this stuff, and I was like, I just remember the way she was saying it. I was like, yo, I'm never gonna let a woman talk to me like this. Wait, you need to do this the day, you need to say this, and you need to do this. And I just remember like after a couple back and forths, I was like, yo, she's always gonna talk to men like this, dude. I can't ever fucking be around her. So I bailed on that deal. Cannot fucking let a woman boss me around like that, dude. It just doesn't feel right. Just doesn't feel right. You have to do this. You're gonna do this. You're gonna do that. I can't fucking ever let a woman talk to me like that, dude. Fuck that. Good memory though. Would I still bang her? Yeah. So I hope you guys are doing all your push-ups and sit-ups and, yeah, exactly. Oh, hell no. Like it's one thing to be like, okay, can we have like what do you like can we have your thoughts on and how to interact with the community and this and that. It's like, yo, don't just sit there and tell me what I'm gonna do. Like, dude, that's not how it goes. And I don't care. It's like it's not about the money, man. I can't sit there and have a woman talk to me like that. And plus, not to mention, like I remember saying something like, you can't just like get me to say this and expect it to come off right. It's gonna come off shilly and bullshitty. And it'd be better if I was working with you guys and I found things that I liked about your exchange and I talked about those things, you know? And if there's something I don't like about that exchange, we talk about it and then you fix it. That's how you fucking build something up. You know, you don't build something up by having someone tell you what you're gonna say. Hey, look, we got a 704 buy, we got a 704 buy, a number of 063s lined up in there. Are you guys paying attention to this stuff? I hope all you guys are paying attention to the trade history. This is why I pay attention to the trade history. This is where you can see a lot of that bot behavior. 074 again. You can find the secrets of life in the freaking trade history, guys, if you look closely enough. 3 plus 7 plus 8, 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. Base number 9. Ooh, interesting. 05, 05. 38. And there was another 38. 5. You guys, I'm getting some repeat buyers. Yep. Hiccup. Alright. Well, I feel like it's time to do something else. Been having fun with you guys though. Truly appreciate your time and support always. Hit that like button. Join the Discord channel, sazanalytica.com. You guys really honestly check out that exchange if you want to get the bonus, do it soon, even if you just open the account. Do the quick stuff and you got 2 more days until the 2000 for 200 bonus goes out the window, whatever. The other one will last longer, the 500 for 500. So, you guys check Discord for the latest and greatest. It was fun. I'm gonna actually probably figure out a way to get more AI involved in all this. And we'll be having good times, guys. Much love to you all. Do your push-ups and your sit-ups, and turn your shower water cold, and eat healthy, and be amazing human beings. All right, everyone. Take care. Much love to you. Thank you, Phil.